multi-character working with base mesh. AY multi-character starter kit has one base mesh, standard kit has two base meshes, and complete kit has three base meshes. For this demonstration, I'm going to use AY multi-character, AY female. The difference between AY multi-character base mesh 1 and base mesh 2 is the notch trace. For base mesh 1, the character doesn't have notch trace. For base mesh 2, it does have notch trace. Then the difference between 1, 2, and 3 is that 3 has fingernails. So if I come down to skin, I can tweak the length of the nails, the color, and I can turn it off or on. I can toggle the visibility of that.